Hope you all are fine. Today our book is 7 New Countdown, second edition. Now let's start over today's topic. And today our exercise is 2C. We have done question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you want to see that how to solve these questions which I have solved in my previous video, you must watch my previous video. You can get a most help, okay? And today we have to start a question number 11, simplify. We have to divide these functions. This is easy, not a difficult. So let's start. And exercise 2C. Question number is 11. Simplify. Minus 4 is divided with minus 2 by 5. Okay, so we have to divide it. There is some rules which we have learned in over class 4 and 5. That if there is a division sign and we have to change division sign into a multiplication sign, the simple thing which we have to done is that the denominator change into a numerator and the numerator change into a denominator. I will explain you that how we can solve it. Minus 4 divides with minus 2 by 5. We have to change this division sign into a multiplication sign. So minus 4 multiplies. The denominator change into a numerator and the numerator change into a denominator. Minus sign remains the same. Okay, minus sign remains the same. Now 5 is multiplied with 4. 5 4s are 20 by 2. Minus is plus. So this is our answer. If you want to start cutting of these values, you can say that 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So the answer is 10. But this is extraordinary answer. Okay. Now move towards its part number 2, which is 15 is divided by 7 divided by minus 5 by 14. As it is 15 and 7, we can put the division sign change into a multiplication sign, denominator into numerator and numerator into a denominator. Now 15 and 14 is multiplied. 15 is multiplied with minus 14 and 7 is multiplied with 5. This is the one method to solve this question. The other method is that 15 by 7 is multiplied with minus 14 by 5. We have to start cutting. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 3 is multiplied with minus 2 and 1 is multiplied with 1. 3 2s are 6, minus 6 is answer, and 1 1s are 1. Now move towards its part number 3, which is minus 3 by 8 divide minus 3 by 4. As it is, the division sign change into a multiplication sign. 4 by 3. 3 cancel with 3. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is multiplied with minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 is multiplied with minus 1, 2 is multiplied with 3. 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. So this is the answer. Now there is 1 and 2 1s are 1 by 2. I have done some mistake, sorry. Now move towards its part number 4, which is minus 4 by 13 is divided with minus 8 by 39. Just like previous question, minus 4 by 13 division sign change into a multiplication sign, and 39 by 8. Now start cutting. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 39. If we can multiply 3 with if we can multiply 13 with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, so answer is 39. Minus 1 by 1 multiplies with 3 by 2, 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2. As there is both minus signs, so minus signs cancel with minus. Now question number 5, which is minus 6 by 15 and 4 by 35. You have to solve this question with your own help. If you don't understand how to solve it, you must tell me. I will teach you. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Keep practicing maths.